Ahmed from Morocco was in his English job interview. The manager asked him about his biggest strength. Ahmed wanted to say, "I'm very thorough in my work." But what came out was, "I'm very sorrow in my work." The manager looked confused. Ahmed didn't get the job. Not because of his skills, but because of one difficult English sound. If you've ever felt embarrassed because people don't understand your pronunciation, type "sound struggles" in the comments right now. Here's what most English learners don't realize. You can know perfect grammar, you can have amazing vocabulary, but if you can't pronounce difficult English sounds clearly, people will always ask, "What did you say?" And here's the crazy part. Most pronunciation courses teach you mouth positions and tongue placements, but they never show you the secret that native speakers use every single day: subtitles. I'm your English instructor, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to master the 5 most difficult English sounds using subtitles. The same sounds that make 90% of learners sound unclear. 3 years ago, I discovered something amazing. My student Sophia from Spain could read English perfectly, but when she spoke, nobody understood her. The problem wasn't her English knowledge. It was these difficult sounds. I created a simple system using subtitles. Sophia practiced for just 15 minutes every day. After 30 days, her American boss said, "Sophia, your English sounds so clear now. How did you improve so fast?" By the end of this video, you'll have the complete Sound Clear system. That's 5 steps to pronounce any difficult English sound perfectly using subtitles. Plus, I'll give you my free Difficult Sounds Master Guide with 50 practice words for each sound. Let me tell you what happened next with Ahmed. After that failed interview, he found my channel. He learned this exact Sound Clear system. 6 months later, he got hired at an international company in Dubai. His manager told him, "Ahmed, you speak English so clearly. Where did you learn?" The difference? Ahmed stopped trying to memorize mouth positions. Instead, he started using subtitles to train his ears first. Then his mouth followed naturally. This is what I call the ear-to-mouth method. And it works for every difficult English sound. Main content: the Sound Clear system. 2-12 an. S. Select your problem sound. First, you need to find your most difficult sound. Here are the 5 sounds that cause problems for 90% of learners. Sound 1, TH as in think, and this. Sound 2, R as in red and very. Sound 3, V and W as in very versus worry. Sound 4, L at the end of words like call and feel. Sound 5, NG as in running and singing. Pick one sound. Just one. Most learners try to fix everything at once. That's why they never improve. My student Carlos from Mexico always said, "I think you are right," instead of "I think you are right." He picked the TH sound. That's it. Just one sound for 30 days. Oh, observe with subtitles. Now here's the secret. Open Netflix or YouTube. Turn on English subtitles. But don't watch normally. You're going to become a sound detective. Look for your problem sound in the subtitles. When you see it, rewind and listen 5 times. But here's the key. Don't look at the screen. Close your eyes and just listen. Carlos found the word think in a Netflix show. He rewound that 3-second part 20 times. Eyes closed. Just pure listening. His brain started to hear the real TH sound for the first time. Use the mirror method. Get a small mirror, play the subtitle section again. This time, watch your mouth in the mirror. Don't worry about tongue positions or technical stuff. Just copy what you hear. Look at the subtitle word. Listen to the native speaker. Copy the mouth shape. Do this 10 times for each word. Carlos held his mirror and repeated, "Think, think, think," while watching his mouth. After 10 tries, something clicked. His mouth started making the right shape automatically. N. Note the feeling. This is the step most teachers skip. Each English sound has a special feeling in your mouth. The TH sound feels like air flowing over your tongue. The R sound feels like your tongue curling back. Don't memorize rules. Just remember how each sound feels. When Carlos finally made the correct TH sound, he said, "Oh, I can feel the air on my tongue now." That feeling became his guide. Daily sound challenges. Practice your chosen sound for 10 minutes every day. But make it fun. I call these sound challenges. Monday. Challenge. Find 5 subtitle words with your sound. Tuesday challenge. Record yourself saying those 5 words. Wednesday. Challenge. Compare your recording to the native speaker. Thursday. Challenge. Practice with sentences from subtitles. Friday. Challenge. Use your sound in real conversation. Carlos did this for 30 days. His TH sound went from terrible to perfect. His confidence went from 0 to amazing. Clear. Check, listen, evaluate, adjust, repeat. Every week, check your progress. Record yourself reading subtitle sentences. Listen to your recording. Where do you still struggle? Adjust your practice. Then repeat the process. The key is patience. Sounds take time to become automatic. But with subtitles guiding you, it's much faster than traditional methods. Let me share what happened to my other students. Maria from Brazil mastered the R sound. She used to say, "I live in a lead house," instead of "I live in a red house." After using subtitle practice for 6 weeks, she sounds completely natural. Hassan from Egypt struggled with V and W sounds. He would say, "I'm very worried," instead of "I'm very worried." Using Netflix subtitles, he trained his ear to hear the difference. Now he speaks with perfect clarity. Yuki from Japan couldn't pronounce L at the end of words. Call sounded like core. Feel sounded like fear. After 2 months of subtitle training, her American friends say she sounds almost native. I want to help you succeed with difficult sounds. That's why I'm giving you my complete Difficult Sounds Master Guide absolutely free. This guide contains 50 practice words for each difficult sound, plus subtitle movie recommendations, plus recording exercises, plus progress tracking sheets. Click the link in the description. Download it now. It's completely free. Here's your challenge. Pick one difficult sound from today's video. Find that sound in English subtitles this week. Practice the Sound Clear method for just 10 minutes a day. Then come back to this video in 7 days. Leave a comment with your progress. I read every comment and I'll personally help you improve. If you're ready to transform your pronunciation, type "Sound Clear" in the comments right now. Over 5,000 English learners have used this subtitle method to master difficult sounds. Join them. Subscribe to FluentFrame for more pronunciation secrets that actually work. Remember, perfect pronunciation isn't about perfection. It's about clarity. It's about confidence. It's about being understood. Ahmed got his dream job. Carlos sounds like a native speaker. Maria speaks with complete confidence. All because they stopped trying to memorize rules and started using subtitles to train their ears. Your clear pronunciation journey starts today. One sound, one subtitle, one day at a time. You've got this.